Hey everyone, welcome back to the Paperless Movement YouTube channel. Today we will look at Mem and their new feature that I added, Smart Write. And this actually helps you to create AI generated text. I made a video about this, that many of the note-taking apps already added the GPT-3 AI assistant. And Mem, they've been one of the first note-taking apps implementing AI already, making it easier to connect your notes automatically. So it was just a matter of time until they launch also this writer feature. And what they told me is that it takes advantage of what you already have inside Mem. So the notes that you have already taken, it will actually use this in order to provide you context to what you're writing about. Sounds great. Let's have a look how this looks inside Mem. So here we are in Mem, and you might think, oh, you don't have a lot of Mem notes. Well, I had more than 3,000 Mems. I connected it with Zapier. It was automatically sending tweets to Mem. I imported all my Notion content. I imported my Obsidian content and all this, and I have more than 3,000 Mems, which was great, but it was also a mess. So with the new AI features, I decided to start from scratch. I now regret it because I rather would have used what I have in there. Maybe I re-import everything, but this is still enough to show you what this is all about. Okay, you see here already down here, insert AI generated text. I can click there, or you can just use the slash sign. There we go. And then here, continue writing for me. So let's do Mem is better than. Then I make slash, and then it says continue writing for me. And look what Mem will come up with. Mem is better than other note-taking apps because it's empowered by a collaborative knowledge graph, which helps you form relationships between the information you capture, generate relevant, sometimes unexpected insights, and share with anyone. Okay? Don't take everything for granted what this is coming up with. To me, this is very helpful for experts who know if this is true or not. So I like using these. I said already I'm using Jasper.ai because it really helps me to get inspired for what I want to write about or what I want to talk about. And then by being the expert, understanding if this is nonsense, what is coming up or not, and then further research into the right direction. So the question is now, there's continue writing for me, but it also says here, type a command to tell Mem what to write. So we can say see examples. So there's two ways, smart write examples and smart edit examples. So for example, write an article about why Evernote is dying. That's a tricky question or tricky request. Okay, let's see what we come up with. Let's go to the conclusion. While Evernote was once one of the most popular note-taking apps, its lack of features, outdated user interface, and lack of innovation have caused many users to abandon the app in favor of more modern alternatives. That's really impressive, guys. Evernote has been one of them, so it shows you what it is. But then with many citing a lack of features, buggy updates, and a lack of innovation as major factors in their decision to abandon the app. One of the primary issues with Evernote is the fact that the app has not kept up with the times, and many of its features are now outdated compared to its competitors. It's funny because I just recorded a video about why Evernote is dying, and this will be published later this week. And this is actually something pretty useful to use. Well, that's interesting. So let's see. I use this. I have smart edit options. Turn this into a tweet thread. Man, this is amazing. So you see it uses hashtags that fit into the context. Make this a blog post, convert to second person imperative. Okay, I can change this into different voices. Let's see what comes up there. Well, that's a lie. Because in my opinion, this is the moment when the expert comes into play. In my opinion, Notion is still not a powerful task management app. It's a powerful knowledge management app that we love to use. But when it comes to project management, there are better alternatives out there. But it even provides a YouTube video. Let's see, who is this? Oh, this video isn't available anymore. What a shame. That would have been nice. Let's see if it finds another video. We go here. Let's see what happens now. So that's a different video. I see it already. Replace. Now let's see what happens. This video isn't available anymore. Well, it would be good if actually the AI also checks if these videos are available. So it doesn't seem to find the right YouTube video about ClickUp versus Notion. Let's see if it will find my video. There are probably a lot more, but let's see what it comes up with. Check out this video for a comprehensive comparison of ClickUp and Notion and to learn why many users are switching from one to another. This video isn't available anymore. No. So it seems this is broken, but I like the idea behind this, and all the things that we've been able to create was very powerful. So write article about 10 easy steps to become more productive. Let's see what happens now. There we go. We have 9 steps, but I think that's step 10 here. So get organized. Take time to create a manual filling system. Prioritize, set goals, set breaks, use a planner, create a routine. And I like that there's always examples behind this, how you can take action. Okay, so let's see. When we convert this now into a header. Now let's see if it is filling the gaps. Okay, I like it. So let's see. Funny that it says task manage. Additionally, there are task management apps like Trello and Asana. How they come up with Trello and Asana. Well, let's see. We can now select this and say replace Trello and Asana with ClickUp and Monday.com. Let's see what happens now. Additionally, there are task management apps like ClickUp and Monday.com that allow you. Okay, so it seems that it kept really the whole text and I was able to replace the words just by telling AI how to do this. I like it. When we say replace, see, it now replaced it. The Eisenhower matrix, okay, it comes up with the Eisenhower matrix now. Well, I really like this. I don't want to make the video too lengthy. The first impressions was very impressive because compared to other apps where I use the AI support already, this is really powerful because it's much more intuitive to use. And then when it takes advantage of the MEMS that we already have in place, be sure I will fill up my MEMS again. And then I will make another video on how I can take advantage of the new AI support. And also they said that's just the beginning and I cannot imagine what else they will come up with in 2023. So MEM team, keep up the good work. And if you liked the video and you think this is impressive, share it with your friends, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you up next time.